We are going to start with my base color, and we're just going to give it a nice wash over the whole entire eye area there. Step number 2, and I'm going to use my darkest shade, and we're going to just put it in the corner of your eye, kind of like just a little diagonal there, all right? And get enough on there. And don't worry, it can be really sloppy right now, all right? Then I'm gonna go for my next deepest shade, which is this darker brown here. And I'm going to, once again, apply a little stripe of it right next to that other one. Then we're gonna take this next lightest color here, and we're gonna come in, make another stripe. This one, you're not gonna go up quite as hot. See, so we have our 3 different colors here. And then I'm gonna take my lightest shimmery color and I'm gonna put here on the inside. Then you're gonna take the fluffy end of your brush and start blending. And you can add a little bit more on like that. That is a really simple kind of slap it on, messy, but it looks really nice and you get some shimmer.